Hello everyone, welcome sa ating YouTube channel and it's officially the rainy season but sa ngayon we have this monsoon break kaya naka-experience nga tayo ng sunny weather especially in the morning. But then since tag-ulan na nga and sooner or later we will be experiencing yung monsoon rains, I decided na mag-apply na nga ng ating systemic fungicide as a prevention nga ng possible na fungus sa ating mga succulents, especially na pag tag-ulan kasi talagang walang araw. It's gonna be cloudy and rainy all day long. So 24/7 dire-diretso yan for about several weeks. Kaya kailangan nating i-prevent na magkaroon ng fungus yung ating mga succulents kasi mas mahirap silang i-treat pag talagang tag-ulan na. So, including itong ating mga propagations na ito, hindi ko pa sila na-applyan kahit minsan ng ating fungicide. Kaya it's the perfect time for us to do it. Isama na rin natin yung mga bago nating biling mga succulents. I haven't repotted them yet. Pero since nandito lang sila somewhere sa ating rooftop, isasabay na din natin silang lagyan ng ating fungicide. And here sa pinakalikod, so lahat ng ating mga succulents na nandito sa ating rooftop is lalagyan na nga natin ng ating systemic fungicide. And it's something that I do parang 2 to 3 times a year. Ayan, so sa ngayon kasi is medyo maaraw pa kaya we will be applying yung ating fungicide late in the afternoon pag talagang wala ng araw. I really hope na hindi umulan ngayon kasi pag umulan, I have to do it in another day. So, the specific brand ng systemic fungicide na ginagamit ko is this Tango. So, hindi lang ito for succulents or ornamental plants, but pwede rin siya sa mga crops, ayan, sa mga vegetables, ayan siya. And what I really like about this one is kasi matipid siyang gamitin. So, let me show you. Ayan. So, sa 16 liters of water, pwede tayong mag-apply ng half tablespoon or 1 tablespoon nito. So, for ornamentals, ayan, so we are trying to prevent yung powdery mildew at saka yung black spot, something na very common sa ating mga succulents talaga. Kaya, pag madami kayong succulents, ayan, so yung ganitong packaging would be enough actually. Pero if konti lang yun yung mga succulents, since 1 tablespoon is good for 16 liters of water, then yung 1 pack na ganito, yung parang single-use pack is already enough. So, i-dissolve lang natin siya sa tubig. And actually, I already did parang detailed video about this one before, kaya I will just put the link sa baba for you to watch. So, ginagamit ko itong systemic fungicide na ito as a prevention ng fungus, and yung Turogi Blue nga, yun yung ginagamit ko for treatment. Lastly, lalagyan rin natin ng systemic fungicide itong ating succulent bed kasi every time I apply itong systemic fungicide na ito, gusto ko na lahat ng ating mga succulents ay malagyan. So, kumbaga, minsanan ko dapat silang i-apply para talagang wala tayong makalimutan. And syempre, dapat we will do it outdoors, diba? So, itong ating succulent bed na ito, we will just leave it here siguro for about 5 or 7 days until mag-drain nga completely itong ating systemic fungicide before we put it or bring it back again indoors under our grow lights. Ayan. So, yan. We are actually trying to prevent na magkaroon siya ng fungus, especially na pag nasa loob siya ng bahay is talagang kulob. Wala masyadong air circulation as compared nga dito sa ating rooftop. So, ayan, madami-dami pa tayong dapat lagyan ng systemic fungicide. Definitely, I won't be vlogging everything. Pero same lang naman, after nating timplahin yung ating fungicide solution, ipangdidilig lang natin sa ating mga succulents. Kaya it's best na pag gagamitin nyo ito, make sure na hindi nyo kakadilig ng inyong mga succulents. So, kumbaga, isabay nyo siya sa inyong watering schedule. Ayan. So, I think my succulents are ready for the rainy season. I hope your succulents too. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.